Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We can apply the formula in here. So capital A, that is about this one. Now we need to change this one into this one. Next, we can put the limit go in here. So we just concentrate about this one only. Next, we have the formula in here. ln(a) to the power of b equals to b ln(a). So 2s that is about capital B, and this one that is about capital A. So 2s will go outside about natural law in here. Next, s will go to the denominator, so they will be like this. When s approaches to positive infinity, 1 divided by positive infinity, you got about 0. This one you got about 0. ln number 1, we have 0. So we have 0 over 0. So we can use about L'Hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So this one we will have about the square root of number 2 over s squared over 1 minus the square root of number 2 over s. This one we have negative 1 over s squared. Now we need to simplify s squared. And the negative number 1 I will put in here. Next, when s approaches to positive infinity, this one you got about 0. And now we have the final answer. So the value of this limit, we have e to the power of negative number 2 with the square root of number 2. So the value of this one, that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.